Hi, I am Rushil. So now you have signed up on Dograh. But before you type anything generic like find leads for my business in this section, don't write one-liners. The more context you give, the better the agent Dograh generates for you. Company name, what it handles, tone, specific rules. Think of this as a brief to a new hire. The more precise you are, the less you have to fix in the prompt later. So I have quickly selected inbound agent and the use case is customer support agent. And in the activity description, I have pasted a huge block of text which has the name, the persona, the tone, the rules, what it handles, what it should not handle, everything down to the details. This will help Dograh generate a perfect agent which I won't have to spend a lot of time on to fix the prompts and small mistakes. So let's just hit create and the agent is created. So this is your agent canvas. 4 nodes, 3 are connected. These are called agent nodes. And this is the global node. This is where you build, edit and test everything. So the global node holds your persona and rules. And when you open any agent node, you have the option to enable add global prompt on any agent. This content gets prepended to that node's prompt at runtime. It's a toggle, so you have to turn it on or off. Agent node is where the conversation happens. Your system prompts live here. Role, goals, constraints, tone. Read it, adjust what's off, and this is the core of what your agent says and does. So let's just quickly run test. You have to allow the mic access, no phone number needed. This runs entirely in the browser.
Hi, thanks for calling Snapkicks. My name is Sam. Who am I speaking with today and how may I help you?
Hi Sam, my name is Rushil
Nice to meet you, Rishi. How can I help you today?
and I wanted to issue a refund.
Okay, Rishi, I can help you with that. To check if your purchase is eligible for a return or exchange, could you please provide your order number?
So watch the canvas while you talk. The nodes light up as the agent moves through them. You are watching your workflow execute in real time. So let's just end the call and check how the call went in agent runs. So here you can find in manage agent run button. Just click on it and let's go to the latest call. Every call is logged inside agent runs and you can also find the transcript and the recording right here. This is where you review what happened, spot what went wrong and know what to fix. So we can just go through the transcript here quickly and also listen to the recording here.
Hi, thanks for calling Snapkicks. My name is...
So now you have it, the canvas to build and agent runs to review. That's the loop. Deeper dives on nodes, prompting and extraction variables coming soon. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.